Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really essential accessory for anyone using specific Roland and Edirol recording devices, the Jantoy 5FT USB cable. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed as a PC laptop data cord replacement for models like the Edirol R09, R09HR, Roland R0 5-wave MP3 WAV recorder, and the Roland RC05 digital pocket recorder. One of the first things that stands out about this Jant cable is its promise of durability. The manufacturer states it's crafted from the finest materials, suggesting a longer lifespan compared to many standard cables you might find. They also highlight it as being more energy-saving and power-saving, which, while perhaps more critical for power adapters, implies a well-engineered product that prioritizes efficiency and longevity. This focus on robust construction makes it an appealing choice for users who rely on their gear and need a cable that can withstand regular use. The attention to detail in its design is also a key selling point. The description mentions soft, bendable cables and smooth, rounded corners. These aren't just aesthetic touches. They contribute to the cable's usability, making it less prone to kinking or damage during storage and transport. It's clear that the aim was to create a perfect replacement cable, one that not only functions flawlessly, but also feels premium in hand. The fact that it's made with quality materials and tested by the manufacturer provides a good level of reassurance regarding its performance and reliability. The 5-foot length is also a practical consideration, offering enough reach for most desktop setups without excessive clutter. It's a standard male-to-male USB connector, ensuring compatibility with your PC or laptop for data transfer to and from your compatible Roland or Edirol device. While the product notes mention paying attention to voltage and port size, which is always good advice for any electronic accessory, for a data-specific USB cable like this, the primary concern will be ensuring the USB port type matches your device, which it clearly does for the listed recorders. In the package, you simply get one high-quality cable, ready to plug and play. For owners of the specified Roland and Edirol recorders, finding a reliable, durable replacement data cord can be crucial for managing their audio files. The Jantoy 5FT USB cable appears to be a solid contender, offering a blend of quality construction, thoughtful design, and reliable performance, making it a valuable addition to any musician or audio enthusiast's kit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.